Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? Hope so you are all happy today. So today I want to share the short story of Hazrat Yunus alayhi Islam and the power of Ayat Karima. So Hazrat, you know very well that Hazrat Yunus alayhi Islam is the Prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent Hazrat Yunus alayhi Islam to preach to the people of Nineveh, to preach about them Islam. So Nineveh was a very beautiful city and the capital city of Assyria. Later on, it had become a big place due to the behavior of Nineveh's people. They were sinful, they were wicked, and they were radical people. So later on, it had become a very bad place. And Hazrat Islam was afraid of about going there because he already knew the behavior of those people. He was afraid of that they will not accept the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They will humiliate him and they will not accept whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to convey. They will mock him, they will not listen to him. And it happened. Whatever he was thinking when he went there, they were not ready to listen him. They used to mock him, and he was ready to convey the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He was conveying. But initially, due to the fear of those people, he initially quit his prophetic duties. And he said to those people, please turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Instead of turning to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they used to practice their bad behavior. They used to continue their bad habits. So Hazrat Yunus alayhi Islam was very afraid of and was very concerned about the behavior of those people. And initially, he quit his prophetic duties. He fled and boarded on ship. He went from there to the behavior of those people, and he boarded on ship. Suddenly, when he was on the ship, a fierce storm arose there. The fierce storm which was aroused there, threatening to his vessel, the vessel on which Hazrat Yunus alayhi Islam was there. So he was very worried that whatever was happening there, the crew cost of Hazrat Yunus alayhi Islam lost to identify the cause of calamity changing. He was very worried that whatever was happening there. So he wanted to save the ship. Just to want to save the ship, he jumped into the sea. When he jumped into the sea, suddenly a large fish swallowed Hazrat Yunus alayhi Islam. So Hazrat Yunus alayhi Islam was swallowed by a large ship when he jumped into the sea. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this way saved Hazrat Yunus alayhi Islam from the sea, from the water of sea. And he was swallowed by the large fish. And he went into the stomach of large fish. He was remained there. He was alive there for 3 days and 3 nights. It was swallowed by the large fish from the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he was remained there for 3 days and 3 nights. And for 3 days and 3 nights, he was praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He was seeking forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Oh Allah, please forgive me. Oh Allah, please forgive me. Because he disobeyed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands. And initially, he quit from his prophetic duties. And he went from there. He went from the people of Nineveh. He quit his prophetic duties and he went from there. He went from the people of Nineveh. He didn't continue his struggle to convey them, to agree them about the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala punished him in this way and he went into the stomach of fish. So he was remained there for 3 days and he was praying, oh Allah, please forgive me. Oh Allah, please forgive me. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught him Ayat Karima, which is in Surah Al-Anbiya. The ayats of Ayat Karima and the ayats of Surah Anbiya, these are ayats, La ilaha illa anta subhanaka, inni kuntu minas zalimin. And the translation of these ayats are, O Allah, you are the worthy for worship. There is no one who is worthy for worship except you. You are the glorified. O Allah, indeed, I am from the wrongdoer. So, it is very beautiful translation which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught at the time to Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam when he was facing some troubles. he wanted to get out from the trouble. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught these ayats to Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam. So the meaning of these ayats is, O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there is no one who is worthy for worship. You are the only one. And no doubt, I am from the wrongdoer. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept his dua, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught him, and he went out from stomach of large fish and he returned to the people of Nineveh to preach them about Islam. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also forgave the people of Nineveh, and they were ready to accept whatever Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam was saying to them about Islam. In this way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam, and he went out from the stomach of fish. So it's mean that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to convey to the believers, whenever you are in trouble, whenever you're facing trouble in your life, whenever you're facing hardship in your life, so you all have to cite Ayat Karima. You have to cite again and again. In this way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive you. Whenever you think that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is punishing you, so you all have to cite Ayat Karima. Whenever you want that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has to fulfill your this wish, or your this and that wish, so you all have to cite Ayat Karima. In this way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will fulfill your all wishes if you will recite Ayat Karima. So this is the power of Ayat Karima which I wanted to share with you people. I hope you will decide if you want to get out from the trouble of your life, if you want that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has to fulfill your wishes. So you'll have to cite Ayat Karima